Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to download Instagram story with music. So first of all, open Instagram account. Now I'm opening it and select a story. Now I'm selecting this story and click on the arrow icon and then copy link and go to the any browser. Now I'm opening a Google browser and type to Insta, save Insta, select this and select the site and you need to just paste here this copied link. Scroll down and then finally click on the download video. Select without watermark. Okay, now done. Okay, now I am checking this. Opening my file manager, select video and okay, now done. That's how we can easily download Instagram story with music.